Hello, my name is Taylor Brown. This is Lab 4, Exercise 1. So here I have my RC circuit, and I'm using my function generator to generate 1 kilohertz, and then I have the sinusoidal AC output. So I'm generating that to my circuit, and then I'm using my oscilloscope to measure the voltage across the source, which is the purple line, and then the voltage across the resistor, which is the yellow line. So now I'm going to calculate the phase shift and the voltage amplitudes. Alright, now I'm measuring for my VR. So I have this set to look at the channel 1, which is the voltage across my resistor, and I can just look here and see that the maximum, or the amplitude, is 540 millivolts. So that will be my VR for my RC circuit. Alright, and here I have the voltage across my capacitor. So I'm measuring the VC. So I just used my cursor, and there is a lot of noise. That's either due to a probe issue or a channel issue, but I can't figure out how to get the noise to go away. So I've just moved my cursor to the top of where the signal goes up, and I get 90 millivolts, which was pretty close to my calculated 96.7 millivolts. Alright, here I have my RC circuit still. Now I'm just measuring the voltage across my capacitor. So the purple is the voltage across my source, and the yellow is the voltage across my capacitor. So I'm just going to measure the voltage of the capacitor by finding the amplitude here, and then I'll also calculate the phase shift. Okay, and now for the current across the resistor and the capacitor, they're the same, since this is just a linear closed loop circuit. So I've connected my multimeter in AC across the resistor, and I found it to be 0.71 milliamps, and my calculated was 0.603 or 0.6073 milliamps. Here I have my RL circuit, and I'm still using the same function generator to generate at 1 kilohertz the sinusoidal AC output. So I've connected my oscilloscope to my circuit. The yellow line, my channel 1, is the voltage across my inductor, and the pink or the purple line is the voltage source. Alright, now I'm measuring my VL. So my channel 1, the yellow line, is my VL. So I just clicked measure, and I see that for channel 1 the maximum voltage is 64 millivolts. Alright, here I still have my RL circuit. So now I'm going to measure the phase shift between the source and the resistor. I calculated it to only be 1.09 degrees because I'm using a 1 millihenry inductor, which is pretty small. But I have both my sources right here, and then the peaks are pretty much the same. So I just put the cursors for their peaks almost in the same spot. So I got that the difference between them is 4 microseconds. So I just used the formula of the time difference between the peaks over the period, and I measured the period to be 996 microseconds, and then I multiply it by 360, and I got 1.45 degrees. Alright, and now I'm going to measure the voltage across my resistor for my RL circuit. I have channel 1 here connected across my resistor. So channel 1 is the yellow line, and I just went to measure, and I found that the maximum, aka the amplitude, to be 540 volts. It's fluctuating between 540 and 560.